Hi friends, Marley here and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you an update on our garlic. Guys, here behind me, look at this beautiful garlic. Okay, let me turn around this camera so you can see it clearly. Look at that, guys. These were garlic we planted sometime in January, I believe. And look at how good these garlic plants are looking now. They've grown so big. This is very exciting, guys. Look at that. Okay, let's walk in here. So this is our sunken container, kind of, kind of. Um, so I dug up the ground, covered the ground with landscape fabric, and then I put the grow bags in here. So they're all in grow bags, and they're looking really nice. I'm thinking that in some of these grow bags, I probably have to add more potting soil. So these are just all potting soil, and our garlic is looking really nice. Look at that, guys. I'm so proud of this progress because if you think about it, the garlic usually is planted in October or November in my area. But these were planted in January and they are looking really great now. The date today is March 16th. So we have some good growth. And then let's take a look at the other garlic bed that we have. Now I am in my main garden, guys, and we're trying to check on some other garlic in here. So these are the garlic that we have. They're actually much taller than the ones that I showed you earlier, but in terms of like the health, these garlic plants are not as vigorous as the ones earlier. And that's probably because these were volunteer garlic from last year. And then I dug them up and put them in this bed. So this will be grown for the greens and not for the bulbs. I'm not expecting much from this because these garlic plants did not come from some good new cloves. So these are just cloves that were left in the ground and then they grew by themselves, and then I pulled them off the ground and transfer them on here. But still, these are some free plants that we have. So I guess like if you have some extra space in your garden, you can just do this, pull the volunteers and put them together in one spot. Now we are in another spot in my garden, and this is my old chicken run. Look at that, guys. Look at how rich the soil is. So these beds were not fertilized at all. I didn't put anything because they already got all of the fertilizer that they need, since this was used as a chicken run for 5 years. So this has a lot of composted chicken manure, and then composted leftover food, leaves, whatever we throw in here that the chickens didn't eat. They just went back onto the earth. And look at all of this garlic. Yeah, look at this garlic, guys. Isn't that amazing? So this garlic plants I'm growing for the bulbs. And although these are only a few weeks old, these were planted sometime in late February, and they're looking really great. They're growing good. And yesterday, I also planted that next row right there. So we can't see anything yet because I just planted this yesterday, like late afternoon yesterday, before the storm came. I had to hurry up. And I planted that with, I don't know how many, but I put a lot of garlic in there. So these two beds will be all garlic, which now I just realized that in this area, I put some of the garlic like at least 12 inches apart, so I can probably put something in between them. I don't know what plant I'm gonna put in there, but I should be able to add some more plants in here and take advantage of the very rich soil inside this enclosed area. So guys, that's gonna be our update on our garlic plants today. I need to hurry up and go back into the house because it's really freezing out here. It's probably below 30 degrees. All right, guys, that's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Have a great day and happy gardening.